it's Anna. Welcome to my channel, SourPatchKeed, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what happened when I took apple cider vinegar gummies for a month straight. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright guys, so the company I will be using my apple cider vinegar gummies from is called Nutratrek. And I've never tried a product like this before. This says it's a metabolism enhancer, an immune booster, and cholesterol control gummies dietary supplements. Alright, so this says, experience the sweet side of apple cider vinegar. Welcome to Nutratrek, where every evidence-based formulation unlocks the goodness of daily essential superfoods into forward-thinking, study-backed supplements. Safety crafted in our GMP FDA-registered facility, this nutrient-rich supplement is no different. Renowned for its superior B9 and B12 potency, it supports the optimal balance of happiness and wellness you'd expect from raw apple cider vinegar without the bitter aftertaste. This is 100% vegan, non-GMO. That is a lot of information, which is pretty good to know. So let's get to the back. It says standards GMP products, made in FDA registered facility, non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. So if you're gluten-free or gluten-sensitive, honey, like celiac disease, this is for you. If you guys didn't know, I am a diabetic, so I do tend to develop gluten sensitivity. So this is definitely a good product for me, honey, okay? So suggested use is to take 2 to 3 gummies per day. 2 gummies equal to 1 shot of apple cider vinegar. I think I'm gonna stick to 2. There is actually 60 pieces in here, so let's see what it looked like on the inside. Now, I actually used to take apple cider vinegar shots all the time when I was overweight and trying to lose it. It was actually a really big help in my weight loss. So looking at the bottle in here, it looks kind of like the box, which is kind of cool. They have like a black and green thing going. So let's get the top off and get into what these gummies taste like. All right, so I've got my safety seal off and double sealed. Y'all know how I feel about that. So okay, this one was easy to get out. Ooh, okay, it kind of smells like fruit and vinegar. I don't know how I feel about that yet, but I'm used to taking apple cider vinegar shots, so let's see. They're actually really cute, you guys. Let me see if y'all can see the inside. There's like a variety of colors. Let me see. Oh, there's an apple on it. I don't know if that just stands for apple cider vinegar or if they're supposed to have a specific fruit taste, but let's see, y'all. Oh, they're shaped like little apples. I wonder if they're all the same color. It kind of tastes like cranberries. Okay, yeah, I guess so. They're all the same color. It actually tastes really good. It tastes like cranberries. If you like cranberry juice, you would really like this. It also low-key tastes like peach. These are really good. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I am about to take my very last dose of this apple cider vinegar gummies. Now y'all saw me take my very first bites. Now you'll get to see me take my last ones. Alright, I'm back. So what was my experience like using Nutratrek's apple cider vinegar gummies? Now, when I first opened the bottle, it smelled like vinegar, so I didn't know what I was getting myself into. But when I tried these gummies, when I tell you, they tasted so good. But let me tell you exactly what happened while I was taking these pills. So, well, these gummies. So I'm a type 1 diabetic, but I typically get times when I crave sweets all the time. I curb those cravings a lot. I try to keep them down. But I find that since I started taking these vitamins, it's curbed my cravings for me. I haven't felt the need to really have anything sugary or sweet at all times like I usually do. I've cut down a lot. I think I've only gotten just one slice of cake the entire month that I was doing this, and I didn't even finish it. That's not like me. Usually I try to get one cheat dessert in at least once a week or every week and a half, but this time around that did not happen. What else happened was that as a type 1 diabetic, my digestive system has already been affected. So I don't eat much. I eat very little portions and I eat once a day. This is not because I want to, it's because my body physically cannot handle food, okay? So it's really hard for me to actually eat on a regular basis. I could go literally weeks just living on water and juice. That's how bad my digestive system is. But while I was taking these vitamins, I realized that it was easier for me to snack a little bit here and there throughout the day. And I've been having actually a lot healthier snacks. I've been having, some granola bars, natural ones, of course. I tried, like I said, I haven't been craving sweets as much. So I've been eating a lot of fruits. I've been eating a lot of, well, not a lot. I've been eating some granola bars like Nature Valley, some Kind bars. I've been eating pineapples a lot. You guys know I love my citrus. Every single time I cook dinner, I tend to add vegetable-based. I usually try to go for a larger amount of plant-based items on my plate. But yeah, it seems like I've been eating a lot less carbs than I already was eating, which wasn't much to begin with. A lot of times I found myself craving natural things. Like I've made soups a lot, vegetable soups, I've made chicken soup. It's like in my household, making soup is usually something we do once a month, but I've been living on pretty much a healthier diet. It literally, I'm not saying that this completely changed my life. No, it's just from curbing my cravings, from helping me with not craving sweets, it really helped me to want to eat the things that make me feel good, if that makes sense. So I really appreciated having this vitamin. Now, the thing is, I'm already a really skinny person. Typically, I weigh anywhere between 115 to 130 pounds. When I started this challenge, I was about 122 pounds. And the last time I went to the doctors, unfortunately, I can't record all these things because being a diabetic, I have to be in and out of whatever appointments I go through because of because of the pandemic. So the last time I did check, I was at 115, and that was only about 2 weeks into taking these vitamins. So other than that, I did not take it specifically to lose weight, even though that is the purpose of it. I've taken apple cider vinegar shots in the past, and that helped my weight loss. I don't know if these pills have helped me lose a lot more, but I know for a fact that within the 2 weeks that I was taking it and my diet changing a little bit, I did see, my weight go down a bit. I do feel like my clothes feel a little bit better on me. I'm back to a size 4 because after having my son, I was a size like 6, went to a size 4, and then went back up to 6. After starting these gummies, I went back down to my size 4s. I'm not able to fit into the clothes that I got when I originally lost my pregnancy weight. So there's that. Another thing I will mention about this is that I do feel like it was successful. Now, I will be showing you my before and after, obviously, and you could judge for yourself. But again, I wasn't really taking it just to lose weight, if that makes sense. My main goal is to tone my body. I actually got into working out again after starting this medication. After starting these vitamins. I also did the a gallon a day by accident. When I first started taking the pills, I found that I was drinking a lot more water than I usually do. I've actually reduced the amount of juice that I was drinking also. I find that literally these vitamins really help. I've been really, of course, as a diabetic, I have to be conscious about these things, and I did notice the change when I really took the time to, take the vitamins every day and actually, realizing that I'm feeling good about myself. And the other thing is, I had somebody else who tried it, and I noticed that they're also losing weight. Actually, I could just say it because I just remembered. I've already introduced my fiance to the channel. He decided to try these out of curiosity and ended up liking them too. But I did notice in him specifically that he has gone down quite a lot. So that's how I know that this product actually works. You guys already know that I would never come on here and lie to you about anything because that's just who I am. I cannot do that. Like, we don't do fake here, okay? That's practically my motto. So I do genuinely feel like this actually does help with weight loss and helping with lifestyle a little bit. So with everything that has happened following me starting these vitamins, me doing the water challenge, me getting into yoga, working out, stretching every morning, I've actually been doing these things religiously. So all these things all together do add up to the results that I have today. But it all again started as a domino effect of me starting these vitamins. So this is pretty much what happened to me when I took the apple cider vinegar gummies for a month straight. And I hope that if you try this product out, you also enjoy it. But again, this is not a sponsored video. So I'm really hoping that anyone who gives this a try, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar shots? Have you tried the gummies? Have you tried the pills? What have you tried? What have you done to help yourself lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle? So yeah, usually on here, I do beauty content, unboxing, and all that kind of fun stuff. So if that's something you're into, please be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you could be notified every single time I post a new video. And of course, don't forget to show your girl some love by thumbs up this video, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.